In this video, I'm going to show you how can you publish your AI Studio Premium website online, and then how can you connect that published website to a domain of your own so that you can personally brand that. All of this is going to get covered in this video step by step, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Alright, the first thing you need to do is you need to get inside your AI Studio project. So as you can see, this is a premium website I just built inside AI Studio, and I want to publish it first and then make it live with my personalized domain that I already have inside my Cloudflare account. So with this, you will be able to brand this particular website with a perfect URL instead of using the preview URL which we have as of now. So let's do the first step here. First things first, get inside your AI Studio project, right? As you can see, you'll be able to see these kinds of settings here, right? And this is a premium website. By the way, you can get this premium website for absolutely free inside our community, where we are providing these template courses, snapshot training, and live sessions every single week. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment section with AI Studio, and I'm going to send you the link to this high-level lab community. All right. So now what we are going to do here is we're going to go towards the top hand right hand side, and there's a button called as publish. So we're just going to click on that particular button, and here you'll be able to see something called as website address, right? Now this is the address that was provided by HighLevel's AI Studio automatically when you created this website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this pencil icon here. I'm going to click on this edit slug, and then I'm going to change the name. For example, I have a premium website which says Nova. It's an AI customer support that never sleeps. So I'm going to write it Nova AI support. And let's see if this slug is available or not. If this is available, you will be able to attain it. If not, you might have to change it. Let me quickly see whether it's available. Oh, awesome. So as you can see, it's now available here, and we can now go ahead and publish this entire website. Let me quickly click on publish here. All right. So now as I click on publish, it's going to give me a few details in order to make sure that everything works really well. So in order for people to discover our website, we have to change a few details here. As you can see, we have icon and title, we have description, and we also have a social image. These are important so that this is the preview that people will look at when somebody searches your website. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the icon. I think the icon looks good. I might just keep it right away and might change it later on. So icon is fine. I want to change the title here. So I'm just quickly going to go to the notepad where I have already written the title here. I'm going to quickly go here in the title and change it. As you can see, I have changed the entire title here, right? Also, there's a description. So I'm going to quickly go to my description again, copy this entire description and go back to the AI Store description and change it here as well. Now I have changed the title and description. I might want to also add a social image so that whenever you're sharing your website, the social image pops up as a preview, which will help people click on this better and help build trust, credibility, and authority in the specific niche that you are in. So I'm going to click on upload a social image here, and I already have a social image created. So I'm going to click add that here, and as you can see, it's already able to add it here. Looks nice. You can replace it if you want, remove it if you want to. I like how it looks now, so I'm going to quickly click on apply changes. Now, as soon as I click on apply changes, it's going to do its work in order to publish this particular website with our custom widget URL that we created with AI Studio. So let's wait for some time in order for this to publish our website. Now, as you can see, just within a minute, it was able to publish this website here. And on the right hand side, it says website address. So we have the Nova AI support.wifepreview.com, which is the default URL. Now I'm going to click on publish here, and this is going to do its job. It says your app is live, successfully published to the internet. Now it's very simple. I can copy this particular URL from here or click on view app in order to view it. Now let me quickly open this particular app here and see how exactly this looks. Oh my God, this looks fantastic. And as you can see on the URL itself, it says nova.ai support.wifepreview.com. So we already got what we're looking for, and this premium website is now published, right? I mean, who doesn't want a premium website like this published on a custom domain? So now I'm going to go inside my DNS record in order to make sure that I can publish this with buildwithpritam.com that I've recently purchased. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside my AI Studio, and then I'm going to click on publish again once again, and here I'll have the option of adding a custom domain. Now this is exactly the point where I will be able to add my own custom domain. So I'm going to quickly copy this one, which is buildwithpritam.com. I'm going to go inside and I'm going to add it back, right? The moment you add it, it's also going to ask it, also, would you like to add www.buildwithpritam.com and redirect traffic to buildwithpritam.com? It's absolutely the right way to proceed forward and publish a website. So let's do it. Now, you can also add it manually, just so that I can show it to you here. You can also add the record manually. So if you click it here, you will get all the records here. For example, you get the A name record in order to publish your main domain, and then you can also get a C name record, which is www, in order to publish your subdomain. I don't really want it. I'm going to do it in the automatic way. Let me close this and try to add this again. Custom domain, copy here, right? And I'm going to click on continue. The moment I click on continue, the high levels AI Studio as well as high levels backend system is going to do its jobs in order to add it to my Cloudflare account automatically. As you see, it already recognized my domain provider. So it says your domain provider is Cloudflare. Connect automatically with Cloudflare here. So the only thing I need to do here is I need to authorize this particular domain. So I'm going to click on authorize domain here, and then it's going to automatically open a Cloudflare tab here and then do its job in order to make sure that it's get added. But for that, you have to make sure that you're already logged in to the same browser in your Cloudflare account. So it was able to add this. So I'm going to quickly authorize this so that it can publish all these DNS records inside it. So it's verifying at the moment. Just take for a few seconds in order to see whether it was able to get something like this or not. Now, as you can see, the pop-up went away, and it already says that on the left hand side, custom domain connected. So buildwithpritam.com is connected here. If you go inside your Cloudflare account, you will be able to see that you have already added two of these domains or DNS, which is the A name record and the C name record. So it works very well. Let me quickly open this site, which is view site, and see whether the domain is published or not. As you can see, buildwithpritam.com is live, and it has this premium website that everybody is looking for when they want to create a SaaS marketing website. Now, guess what? It might take some time. If you just encounter into an error situation, try to verify it again and try to publish it again so that in a few attempts, you will be able to get there. Sometimes servers are busy, so it might not work, but eventually it will do its job in order to publish a website. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a premium custom websites like these, along with weekly support of coaching calls and our courses, you can join our premium community, which is the High Level Lab, available for absolutely free at zero cost. The link should be in the description box with thehighlevellab.com. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hi, my name is Olivia, and I just want to brag about the consultation call that I had today with Pritam, because I have been going through a lot of different webinars and also other one-on-one sessions, with consultation sessions, just as I did with Pritam today. The difference is so clear. Not only is his work definitely up-leveled from the most of what people are developing out there. It's eye-catching. It really it's going to make me very proud to hire him and have him design the entire funnel for my business. But in addition to that, he is not telling people you can get rich overnight. He's being very realistic, and he really earned my trust. Our call was supposed to be 20 minutes today, and he took an hour and 45 minutes with no pressure. He laid out the entire blueprint for the next 5 months for my business to get to a good level, solid level foundation of success. And one of the first principles I learned in business over 30 years ago was you have to have a long-term vision. You have to have a long-term vision, and people don't have that. They really don't. They're very impatient, and they want it right now. And there are plenty of people who will tell you they're going to help you get it overnight, and it's not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. So, Pritam, you've earned my trust and you've earned my business, and I greatly look forward to becoming successful with you. Thank you so much.